Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and I want your guys' input on what I should do for hitting 200 subscribers. Like, what kind of video would you guys like to see? I could have my husband drench me in water or jump in the pool or eat 100 packs of ramen noodles. I don't think I could do that, but I sure would try. Yeah, just let me know. Also, when we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Don't miss out. But I just want to thank you guys so much from like the bottom of my heart for hitting 200. Actually, this morning we hit 203, so woo woo. That is so amazing, you guys. Like, you don't even understand. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Alright guys, before this intro gets too long, let's just get right into the makeup. thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know what other makeup videos you'd like to see. Let me know if you'd like to see any other videos, cooking, cleaning, parenting, any of that stuff, DIY, furniture, whatever. Also, in the comments down below, let me know what video you want me to do for hitting 200 subscribers, because we officially did that yesterday afternoon after I filmed, and then we hit 203 this morning when I woke up. So let me know in the comments what you'd like to see for a 200 subscriber video. And then when we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.